In a world where luxury meets innovation, one vehicle stands as the epitome of opulence and engineering excellence. Introducing the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S 680, a masterpiece that redefines the standards of elite motoring. From its commanding presence to its meticulously crafted details, the Maybach S 680 exudes sophistication. The iconic Maybach grille, adorned with vertical chrome slats, seamlessly integrates with the vehicle's elongated silhouette, making a statement of grandeur on every road. You're enveloped in an environment where luxury knows no bounds. The cabin boasts hand-stitched Napa leather, complemented by polished wood veneers and customizable ambient lighting. Every element is designed to provide an unparalleled sensory experience. 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series First Look Review, https://www.motortrend.com/news/2026-Mercedes-Maybach SL680-Monogram-Series First Look Review /UTM_source =ChatGPT.com. Rear passengers are treated to executive-class accommodations. With fully reclining seats, individual entertainment screens, and a state-of-the-art Burmester 4D surround sound system, every journey becomes a first-class experience. Lies a handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 bi-turbo engine, delivering a formidable 621 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 9G Tronic 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive, the S680 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, ensuring a ride that's as exhilarating as it is smooth. 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S 680 4MATIC, https://www.mbusa.com/n/vehicles/model/s-class/maybach/s680z4?UTM_source =ChatGPT.com. The Maybach S 680 is a technological tour de force. The MBUX infotainment system offers intuitive control through voice commands, touch, and gestures. Dual 12.3-inch displays provide crisp visuals for navigation and entertainment, while advanced driver assistance systems ensure safety and convenience on every journey.